Today, we will walk you through 7 of the most frighteningly bizarre ocean creatures. Given the extreme depths to which scientists must go to find these frightful and tiny fish, little is known about the hatchetfish. Making top models around the world jealous, the morose-looking creatures derive their name from how razor-thin they are. Anatomically speaking, the hatchetfish's thorax is supposed to resemble the blade of the hatchet, and it's called silver glint, the metal. Their name is somewhat deceiving though. Measuring in at a mere 1 to 5 inches in length, the hatchetfish is hardly deadly. It's just, well, pretty terrifying. More gelatinous than a grandma's pudding, the Blockfish's strikingly jiggly appearance has captivated the attention of millions for the past several years. So striking is the mass with fins that just this year it was deemed the world's ugliest animal. Life isn't all that bad for this Oceania-dwelling creature though. As the blobfish's den is primarily near the bottom of the ocean, the water pressure is understandably high, causing the blobfish's skin to have the approximately density of water. Consider the fangtooth fish to be the underwater equivalent of a menacing pit bull with a heart of gold. Despite their threatening appearance, the fangtooth is incredibly benign, especially as its poor eyesight means that if it wants to hunt, the fangtooth quite literally has to bump into prey in order to find it. Its chompers certainly paint a different portrait though. Protruding from its mouth in proportion to the fish, the fangtooth has the largest teeth of any fish in the ocean. Good luck catching a glimpse of the sharp-mouthed animal. It resides as far as 16,400 feet beneath the sea. These icky echinoderms certainly boggle the mind. Lacking a true brain and any semblance of sensory organs, the sea cucumber boasts about the same mental capacity as the food for which it is named. Nevertheless, the cuc serves as a vital part of the oceanic ecosystem as it recycles nutrients and breaks down the detritus that comes its way. Unlike the actual cucumber, the sea cuc's collagen levels allow it to make some pretty kooky maneuvers. If the sea cucumber needs to wedge itself into a tiny crevice, the collagen will loosen and the sea cucumber will effectively liquefy itself to seep into its desired locale. Deemed by some scientists as a living fossil and overshadowed by its flashy counterparts, the goblin shark leads a relatively mysterious existence deep below the ocean blue. The only extant survivor of a 125-million-year-old family of sharks, the goblin is truly unique and ugly. Apart from its most salient features, which includes its long, flattened snout and protruding jaws, the goblin is relatively unremarkable. Given its flabbiness, most scientists speculate that the goblin shark is sluggish and relatively inactive. It's highly unlikely you will ever see a goblin shark in your lifetime. When one was brought into an aquarium in Japan, it died soon after. Shell collectors of the world, be warned. Though the saturated snail you see here bears a striking shell, the vibrant patterns aren't part of the shell itself, but rather the mollusk's living mantle tissue. Located in the Atlantic and Caribbean waters, the flamingo tongue snail feeds on toxic sea fans and, like Bruce Willis in Unbreakable, suffers no harm. In fact, the cunning snail absorbs the venom and, to the chagrin of its potential predators, becomes toxic itself. If you enjoyed this tour of the most bizarre ocean creatures, do subscribe to our channel and share this interesting information with other fellow animal lovers. Thank you.